Welcome to Seedling Squad, your go-to place for all things plant and gardening. Whether you're a beginner just starting out or a seasoned green thumb, we've got tips, tricks, and tutorials for everyone. Hi, I'm Nicole, and I'm here to help you grow your gardening skills and turn your space into a green paradise. From seed to harvest, let's embark on this gardening journey together. In today's video, we will be featuring the top 20 amazing carnivorous plant facts you probably didn't know. Just so you know, there are direct links to all the related products in the description below. If you want a wide range of gardening facts, tips, and tricks, be sure to visit our website at seedlingsquad.com. So, let's get started. 20. Carnivorous plants don't eat people. When you hear the words carnivorous plant, you might imagine a giant plant from a monster movie that can swallow anything in its path. But thankfully, that's only fiction. Real carnivorous plants are much smaller and mainly feed on insects like flies, ants, and small bugs. Their traps are specially designed to capture tiny prey, not humans. These fascinating plants have evolved and found a clever way to survive in places where nutrients are difficult to find. 19. They grow in nutrient-poor soil. One of the biggest reasons carnivorous plants evolved their unusual eating habits is because of where they live. Many species grow in wetlands, bogs, and sandy areas where the soil contains very little nitrogen. Nitrogen is important for plant growth, but these environments don't provide enough. Instead of giving up, these plants developed incredible traps that allow them to collect nutrients from insects. 18. Carnivorous plants still make their own food. Although they capture insects, carnivorous plants are still plants. They use sunlight, water, and carbon dioxide to create their own energy through photosynthesis, just like ordinary plants. The insects they catch are not their main source of food. Instead, they provide extra nutrients that help the plant grow and survive. 17. There are more than 800 species of carnivorous plants. Carnivorous plants come in many different shapes, sizes, and colors. There are more than 800 known species around the world, including Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, sundews, bladderworts, and many others. Each one has developed a unique method for catching prey. 16. They grow on every continent except Antarctica. Carnivorous plants can be found in many parts of the world. They grow in places like North America, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia. The only continent where they do not naturally grow is Antarctica, because the freezing temperatures make survival nearly impossible. 15. Venus flytraps can count. The Venus flytrap is one of the most famous carnivorous plants, and one of its coolest abilities is that it can count. Its trap does not close every time something touches it. Instead, the plant usually waits for multiple touches on its trigger hairs before snapping shut. This helps it avoid wasting energy on things like raindrops or falling leaves. 14. Sundews. Use sticky droplets to catch insects. Sundews have one of the most beautiful but sneaky traps in nature. Their leaves are covered with tiny tentacles that produce shiny, sticky droplets. These droplets look like morning dew, which is where the plant gets its name. When an insect lands on the leaf, it becomes stuck, and the sundew slowly wraps around its prey. 13. Pitcher plants create slippery traps. Pitcher plants use a completely different hunting strategy. Instead of snapping shut, they create deep tube-like traps filled with digestive liquid. Their colorful appearance and sweet nectar attract insects. Once inside, slippery walls make it extremely difficult for the insect to escape. 12. Some pitcher plants work together with animals. Not every creature that visits a pitcher plant becomes food. Some large tropical pitcher plants have special relationships with animals like tree shrews. These animals drink nectar from the plant and leave behind waste that provides nutrients. It's a rare example of a plant and animal helping each other survive. 11. Bladderworts hunt underwater. Bladderworts are unique because they don't hunt on land. These aquatic plants live in ponds and wetlands, using tiny underwater traps called bladders. When small creatures trigger the trap, It quickly creates a vacuum that pulls the prey inside. 10. They have some of the fastest movements in the plant world. Plants are often thought of as slow, but some carnivorous plants can move incredibly fast. Bladderwort traps can activate in less than a millisecond, making them one of the fastest movements found in the plant kingdom. 9. Some carnivorous plants can catch small animals. Most carnivorous plants eat insects, but some of the larger species can catch surprisingly bigger prey. Large tropical pitcher plants have occasionally trapped frogs, lizards, and other small animals. However, insects are still their main source of nutrients. 8. They produce digestive enzymes. After capturing their prey, many carnivorous plants release special enzymes that break down the insect's body. These enzymes help the plant absorb important nutrients like nitrogen and minerals. It's almost like these plants have their own version of a digestive system. 7. They can catch hundreds of insects. A healthy carnivorous plant can capture many insects over time. In areas with lots of bugs, pitcher plants and sundews may collect dozens or even hundreds of tiny creatures throughout their growing season. 6. Their colors help attract prey. Carnivorous plants often have bright colors like red, purple, yellow, and pink. These colors act like advertisements, attracting insects that mistake the plant for a source of food or nectar. 5. Some carnivorous plants can live for decades. With proper care, many carnivorous plants can survive for many years. Venus flytraps, pitcher plants, and other species can live for decades when grown in the right conditions. They may look delicate, but they are surprisingly resilient. 4. Fertilizer can harm them. Many gardeners make the mistake of treating carnivorous plants like ordinary houseplants. However, regular fertilizer can actually damage their roots. Because they evolved in nutrient-poor environments, these plants prefer special soil with very few minerals. 3. Some pitcher plants grow huge. While many carnivorous plants are small, some tropical pitcher plants can become enormous. Certain species can grow pitchers more than a foot tall, creating giant traps capable of holding large amounts of liquid. 2. Charles Darwin studied carnivorous plants. Even the famous scientist Charles Darwin was fascinated by these unusual plants. He spent years studying carnivorous plants and wrote extensively about their amazing abilities. His research helped people understand that plants could respond and adapt in surprising ways. 1. Carnivorous plants evolved their traps multiple times. The most amazing fact about carnivorous plants is that they did not all develop from one single ancestor. Different groups of plants independently evolved ways to capture prey over millions of years. This shows just how creative and powerful evolution can be. Thanks for joining us on this countdown of the top 20 amazing carnivorous plant facts you probably didn't know. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening, Seedling Squad!